In this video, we are going to build Tealeaf UIC SDK from scratch. We are going to start off with downloading the Tealeaf UIC SDK from IBM Fix Central. Select Tealeaf Customer Experience in the product selector and all for other filters. All the new fixes and releases of Tealeaf UIC SDK are distributed via Fix Central. Select Browse for Fixes. This will give you the full list of fixes related to Tealeaf available on Fix Central. We are interested in IBM Tealeaf UI Capture SDK version 5.5.0, which is the latest available version. You can click on this link to download the package. Once you have downloaded the package, you can extract it. The package contains various files. The default configuration.js is a file which can be used as an example or starting point for the UIC SDK. UIC SDK comes with two flavors. One is jQuery and the other one is W3C. The package also contains some sample implementations of Tealeaf target page. You can also refer to README for more details on each file included in the package. Along with the Tealeaf UIC SDK package, we will also need to get third-party libraries. Paco.min.js is a must-required library which is used for compression. It is publicly available via GitHub. A link will also be provided along with the video. For the best performance, it is recommended that UI Capture SDK is served with encoding enabled, which is allowed by this library. Inside the package, we are interested in two files. First one is configuration.js and the other one is the core script, which is located in tealeaf.min.js. To build the UIC SDK, open any text editor of your choice. Start off with copying the paco.min.js at the top of your file. You can also add a comment specifying which script is this. Once you have pasted the paco.min.js, you need to copy the contents of core script, which is tealeaf.min.js. Copy all the contents of this file and paste it here. Once you are done with copying the core script, you will also need to copy the contents of default configuration.js file. Again, copy all the contents of this file into your new file. Please note that the order is very important. We first copied paco.min.js and then we copied the core script, which is tealeaf.min.js, and lastly we copied the configuration, which is default configuration.js file. Now you can save this file. You can name it Tealeaf.js or whatever naming convention you want to give. Now you have your basic UIC SDK ready. You can deploy this in your lower environment and test it out. This concludes this video demonstration.